What is going on, guys? It's Noah here with Custom RC Mods. Welcome back to a brand new video here out at the park. Flight video today with the FT Mighty Meeting Aero. I've got the brand new motor on here, which is the SunnySky 2207S 2100 kV race quad motor, which is a huge upgrade from the A2212 1000 kV, double the kV, and it's just a lot more powerful in general. We've also got a better prop on here. It's a 6x5.3 tri-blade prop, which is a lot better than the old prop that I was running. So it's got a totally different sound. You can see it's got a lot of power. Let's just go ahead and get this thing underway. I love that sound. And it feels really good. It's a lot smoother than the old motor was. But it still is really nice, respectable flying aero. Needs a little bit of aileron trim there. This will be interesting to try on 4S, which I think I can do. I have the audacity at this point. Just putting this motor through its paces. That sound is amazing. I cannot get over it. Might even see if we can get a 4-blade prop on there. Yeah, I really like how this plane flies. It's a nice big lazy loop. Just the way it screams when it's coming at you is amazing. It might be like the Doppler effect or whatever it is. Yeah, that's nice. Let's go ahead and just slow it down a little bit, see how slow we can go, just to see what the prop is like on here. Looks like we're well under a quarter throttle and it's still getting around town. But yeah, I've easily got full vertical with this motor setup. Yeah, I'm really happy with how this thing's flying. And this is a half-dead 3S too, so that's why you kind of hear it fading off in the end. But I just cannot get over how smooth this new motor combo is. And it might have to do with my new prop, because that is definitely a big upgrade from my cut down 9x6 that I was running last time. Anyway, we're running low on juice here. I can kind of feel it as we're coming around, so let's just set this thing up into the wind and bring it in for a landing. And there we go. There is my broken prop already. That is tough. Looks like I'm gonna have to get a new prop. I have another one at home, but that is unfortunate. Anyway, that's it for this flight. I'm gonna try to be more careful when I land this thing, and that's one thing about having a tri-blade prop on here, that they break really easily. So we'll have to get some more normal 2-blade props on order, but I'm really happy with how this flies. Thank you guys so much for watching and all the support you give me in the comment section. Please keep it up. If you'd like to see anything that I can do with this arrow or anything in general, just let me know. And with that said, thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video.